What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to show you how to make passive money using Facebook. It's an evergreen method and I will show you a step by step everything. If you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter, you can easily apply this method and I will show you all those methods in just 3 steps. If you can follow all those 3 steps, then you can easily grab this method and you can apply this method from today. If you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter to apply this simple method. But at first I want to say it's not a overnight a method, overnight system. You have to grow your system day by day, then you can make passive money for a lifetime. And if you can grow it once, then you can easily make 100 per day or more without any hassle, but you have to grow it gradually. If you want overnight success within one day, one week, one month, then this method is not for you. So it's my straightforward forward disclaimer. So follow all those methods if you want to grow your passive money for a lifetime. If you want to grow your passive money or passive income, then you have to grow your system, grow your business, grow your online marketing step by step, day by day, without uh, but if you want um, hurry result, then no one can provide you the exact method for making passive money. In the case of active money, you can get hurry result, but in the case of passive money, you have to grow your system day by day. But I will show you everything in this video. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. I am share all of my knowledge, all of my experience in this video in just 3 steps. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank, JBJU and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. So guys, don't be disappointed. I will provide you the best info that will help you to make passive money for a lifetime. It's an evergreen method, and if you can follow this method, you can earn passive money for a lifetime, and you can easily make 100 or more if you grow it once. So guys, let's check into my computer and see all the step by step methods. Don't miss any part of this video. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification icon for getting new updates, new videos and new info inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel you see here, and I am uploading videos in that daily basis. You see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, like traffic, marketing strategies, ClickBank method, JBJU method, or Warrior Plus method, CPA method, everything inside my YouTube channel. So if you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter. If you want to grow your online business, if you want to grow your affiliate marketing journey for a lifetime, then this YouTube channel will help you, and I assure you, you never be disappointed why I am subscribe this YouTube channel. So guys, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel, and you see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So if you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter, this YouTube channel will help you a lot of to make big money online. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. It's a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. Now I will show you how to make passive money online using YouTube, and it's an evergreen method, I already said it. So at first you have to know what is active income and what is passive income. If you are active and if you're needed to be active for making money, then it's active incomes. If I provide an example, it's Facebook one-to-one marketing. If you make message, if you type message for one-to-one selling, then it's active income. If you are not active, if you don't message, if you're not typing, then you can't make money. Or if you can grow your YouTube channel, if you can grow your website, if you can grow your Instagram, Facebook and other group pages, then it will be your passive money. And in this video I will show you how to make passive money online using YouTube, and it's an evergreen method, and if you can grow it once, then you can make easily 100 or more per day. So guys, let's check into my computer, and don't miss any part of this video, and don't miss to subscribe my YouTube channel for getting a lot of helpful content about make money online and grow your online business. Okay, so step number 1, you have to visit this giant website, giant affiliate program, giant products storage. It's Amazon. You see here, it's Amazon, and you have to be a affiliate inside Amazon or in Amazon, and it's so much easy and so much simple. So below this page, you see here, become an affiliate. So go here. Say I already signed up here. So go here, become an affiliate. You see here, sign up here. Just click this sign up and fill up all the courses, all the, I already signed up here, so I can't see it. Just it doesn't matter, it doesn't any difficulties. You can easily sign up here and sign in your Amazon account. So guys, at first you have to sign up Amazon, then you have to choose the best product, the right product, and I will show you. You see here, product links. Go here and you can browse your product name, or you can browse these categories. And if you see all the categories here, and if you see the affiliate rules and regulation, then you will see the commission range of Amazon, and I recommend you to promote those products which commission range is high. Okay, over 5%, over 4% to 10%. Within this range, you have to promote those products, and I recommend you to promote those products range 4 to 10. Okay, that's fine. You can promote below 4 or any product you can promote, but I recommend you to promote 4 to 10 range, 4 to 10% commission range product. You see here all the categories here. Now you can promote any of the products, any of, and if you can promote this type of products, it's all the evergreen products, and for this reason I already said it, it's an evergreen method, and you can get commissions for a lifetime if you promote this type of Amazon products. It's all the physical products, so every people need it and every people want to buy this type of products. So it's an evergreen products, and you can promote any products inside Amazon. And you see here, if you choose cell phone and accessories, click here, and go. Then you will see all the phone accessories products here. All the products here, a lot of product, 1,000 products here, and you need it. You need 1,000 products because this method is related with unlimited product, unlimited promotion, unlimited commission. Okay, so you see all the products inside this category. Now if you want to promote this product, then open this product link and you see here all the info about this product. Okay, so choosing your product is step number 2, and step number 3, you have to promote this product by review. And review is the evergreen keyword. If you can grow your review YouTube channel, then you can make money for a lifetime in the case of physical products, because this type of products is for evergreen. Every people want to buy this type of product and every people need it. So you can choose phone accessories, home and gardening, beauty, dog training, pet in every kind of a lot of categories inside here. You see here a lot of categories here. You see, then arts, craft, and then baby and nursing, beauty and grooming, every book and textbook. So every type of products, and I recommend you to promote all kind of products. Okay, so you have to promote it using YouTube, and for this you have to create a YouTube channel first about physical products review, Amazon products review, and you have to go here and you see the settings. Click the settings and you see add or manage your channel. Click here and you can create a new channel. You see here, you can create your new channel. Make your brand name, make your channel name, and it's depends on you. I don't recommend you anything or I don't say anything. It's your own wish, and it doesn't matter. Channel name, YouTube channel name, it doesn't matter because content is the king. Content is the key. You have to provide the content. Your channel name doesn't matter. Okay, so make a channel name and create your YouTube channel. Make your thumbnail as a professional YouTube channel. Looks like a professional YouTube channel. You see here, it's my YouTube channel. It's a make money related YouTube channel, but you don't need to do this type of channel. You have to promote physical products. So make this physical product. You can see other people's channel in YouTube, other people's make money related, other people's physical product related, and this type of products search in YouTube, and you can get a lot of ideas, channel ideas. Then you can see all other marketers YouTube channel and you can follow them for growing, for making your YouTube channel, for designing your YouTube channel, for elaborating your YouTube channel. It doesn't matter because content is the key. You have to make content. Okay, so after creating your YouTube channel, you have to make a review video. Okay, and for making review videos, you have to need this OBS software. You see here OBS Studio, and you can freely download it. There is no charge, there is no on time, anything, no charge. It's 100% free for any user, Mac user, Windows user, Linux user, anyone can use it. Just download it and install it to your computer. And I personally use this software. If you see here, it looks like this OBS, and I am using this software for making these videos, and I recommend you to download this OBS software and start your video making using this software. If you wish, then you see here, you can see your face in front of camera, and if you don't want to show your face in front of camera, then you can close it. It's your own wish, but I recommend you to turn on your camera, because it makes more reality, it makes more reliable for making for trusting your customers to buy any products from you, from your channel. Okay, so for making videos you have to download this OBS Studio, install this to your computer and start making videos using OBS Studio. Just just click this software and this start making videos. Then you have to visit this product info page. You see here all the info here. Now if I want to make a review this accessories, then I can start here from like this. You can open this page and just read what inside this page here. It's the best review. Okay, it you don't need to add any extra activities, extra curriculums here. You can just read this page and make a short video of 5 to 10 minutes, within 5 to 10 minutes length, just 5 to 10 minutes. Just read here. Hey guys, welcome to my review channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. Then today I will show you these Apple AirPods with charging case products review. A lot of people right now, a lot of people use this Apple AirPods with charging case for better using. Now in this video I will show all the features, all the benefits, everything about this product. And you see here, just look like this. You see here all the ratings here. Here is the all the questions answer. It's one of the best seller product. Look like this. You can see here, if you want to see the brand, then it's the Apple brand, the connection, Bluetooth and NFC. Model name, you see here, read this, the model name, the color, the connection type. And if you want to see the images, then you can see the image look like this. If you click this image, then you can see all the images for your review. Then you can read the other benefits of this product. You see here, it's the wireless to the fullest, and after a simple on tap to set up, then all the benefits, all the similar, all the how it works. You have to do the charge quality. You have to do everything in your short videos. Okay, in like others, if you choose any other categories, then you will see the sales page, you will see the info page, and just read the page and within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, it's the easiest way to make physical products review video. You don't need any extra marketing experience. You don't need to know any working skills for making this type of review videos. Just open this page and read the sales page, read the info page, and make your review. And I don't see any difficulties here. So there is no excuse to apply this method. And if you can grow your YouTube channel once, then you will get the results for a lifetime. And I assure you, I swear you, you will use a must a workable and granted workable way, a proven way for making Amazon commission, making passive money for a lifetime. It's an evergreen method. It's an evergreen way to make passive money. So guys, don't underestimate this method, this OS for making passive money. So you have to choose any categories and you just make this review for lifetime passive income. Now I will see I will show some the best title format that you can use, such as product name review, then my best opinion. Okay, product name review, what should you do? Product name review, can I get it? Product name review, what to buy? Product name review, what's the benefit? product name review, how it works. This type of title, use this type of title and you will get a lot of view if you use this type of title. Okay, then in the case of YouTube, tag is all of the best important fact. So if you are a newbie, then you don't know this, but in the case of tags you have to use this type of tag: product name review, product name best review, product name preview, product name how it works, product name ought to buy, product name price, product name honest opinion, product name benefits. Use this type of tags and it will help you to rank your videos. And if you can rank your videos, then you will get the traffic for a lifetime, because YouTube is one of the best and the second best traffic sources for all the digital marketing, physical products marketing, LMM marketing, training programs, everything. You can use YouTube for making huge and unlimited traffic. And for this you have to choose the right tags for getting the right targeted people. Okay, so all this, and I think it doesn't matter for any difficulties to follow this method, for apply this method, and anyone can apply this method, a newbie or an expert. But mind it, it's not a overnight method, overnight system, because if you want to make passive money, then you don't want to get it hurry results, you don't get it overnight results. You have to grow your OS, grow your system, grow your business day by day, gradually. Okay, if you can set your mind, then you can get success using these simple methods. Okay guys, so guys, if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, your queries. And don't forget to share these videos for the others, to your friends, for making passive money. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra, and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. Okay guys, and if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation. And my YouTube channel is Make Money Related Online. So affiliate marketing, online marketing, physical product marketing, digital product marketing, everything inside my YouTube channel. And I am uploading videos in the daily basis, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. I just started my YouTube channel very few months, and if you see my subscribers, it's few, but my info is workable, proven and helpful. So don't see my subscriber, see my content, see my videos. If this help you, then subscribe my YouTube channel and see all the videos and make passive money, huge money online. Okay, now I want to show some key facts of this method. Mind it, all the key facts of this method. You have to post 4 and 5 review videos per day. It doesn't matter if you can. How Raju, how can I it possible? It doesn't matter. I say you just 5 to 10 minutes video. If you make 5 to 10 minutes video, then 4 or 5 videos mean you need 40 to 50 minutes per day for all making all those videos. But for arranging all these videos, so you have to make 20 to 30 minutes per video. So you have to work 2 or 3 hours. If you work 2 or 3 hours, then you can easily make 4 and 5 videos and you can upload it. And if you can make 4 and 5 videos per day, I assure you, you will get result within 2, 3 or 4 months. Your activities, your working qualities, your working speed, your working consistency will say you how much quick you will get results. So you have to make 4 and 5 videos per day. Then use eye-catching thumbnails. Okay, in the case of YouTube, you have to use eye-catching thumbnails. Okay, then choose various categories. So you see here all the categories here, and make 4 and 5 videos in 4 and 5 categories per day. Okay, and don't want overnight results. Mind it, don't want overnight results. If you want to make passive money, then don't want to get overnight results. Okay, so guys, if this video help you, and if this video help you to make evergreen passive money, then like this video, and it inspired me to make more and more videos, more and more, provide more and more helpful content. And comment if you have any question in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you first inside my YouTube channel, it's an educational YouTube channel, helpful YouTube channel, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and punch the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. So guys, see you soon. God bless you. Best of luck.